welcome. We're out and about again today. We're in...
We don't know if it's Ghent or Gent.
But we're in Belgium. That's a good start to the day. We don't even know where we are.
No.
Yeah, we're in Urban Gardens, just outside of Ghent, or Gent, or something like that. And it's about 3 kilometres into town.
Yeah, about
something like that. So what we'll do is we'll give you a quick review of the campsite and what we see. So
right. There are bike paths to go into Ghent if you want to, or it's good walking paths.
Yeah, good walking paths. Yeah. And it's it's sports centre. Just up the road.
There's loads of sports. So there's even a beach.
Yes, there's a beach.
By a sort of man-made lake.
Yeah, there is, just up the road.
It's good fun.
It's good, yeah, it's really good. So let's go and have a look round. This is that's reception. Nice lady there. Let me just come round this way. That's the map of the campsite. We are on one of these, aren't we, Sue?
Yeah, 39.
39. Yeah,
which is the second one in of the red ones.
Yeah, that's it. So anyway, these, yes, it's this one we're at. Most of these sides, you'll get a satellite signal, if you've got satellite, obviously. But the lady, if you have a satellite and you want a satellite signal, when you book, if you tell them that you've got a satellite, they'll put you on the right spot. So reception's there, which I say, very nice. 1 o'clock in. We were early yesterday, and they let us in a little bit earlier. There's a bar which opens at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, serving nice Belgian beers, and they are. I mean, I had a little beer yesterday and nearly floored me, didn't it?
It was quite strong, yeah. Yeah,
it was 8.3 or 8.4%. So any of you beer drinkers will know that's fairly powerful. Pizza place, we haven't seen that open yet.
No, but it's very early. I mean, it's only April, so
it is, yeah.
It might only be open certain days.
Right, where we're going to start, Sue? It's a big old place. Let's walk down this way.
Yeah, there are loads of rabbits around in the evening. Yeah. There's hundreds of them.
Yeah. We had trouble yesterday. We got off the boat, didn't we? And let's put it right. When we left Canterbury yesterday morning, we stayed at the. These are the pictures. Yeah. We'll come back to them in a minute. Yeah. So you got
rubbish here.
Rubbish. Yeah. And toilets and showers here.
There's loads of toilets and showers all around.
Loads of place, yeah. When we left Canterbury yesterday, we heard a scraping noise, and we weren't really sure what it was because it was 5 in the morning, wasn't it? 5:30 in the morning.
5 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah, something like that, ridiculous early. And when we got here, we noticed that the water tank. Oh, should have gone in that way. Let's go in there. Edit that bit out, Sue. When we got here and was filling up with water, we noticed that the
freshwater tank was almost on the floor.
Yeah. So we were both. I was knackered yesterday, so we decided that I was going to have a look this morning. Well, it looks really nice this morning. Sun's up and all the rest of it. But we've had hailstones, rabbits, and all sorts of stuff. This is another one of those pod areas, so it's quite nice.
So, yes, you don't have to bring your own motorhome caravan. There are pods.
Yeah, there's all sorts of weird stuff, isn't there?
Yes, little chalets and things.
All sorts. So this morning I've been laid underneath the motorhome in the mud and the rain, fixing it. So I've just fixed it. Well, I put a temporary fix on it. We
went on a scavenge hunt last night to find some bits around the campsite we could use, and a very nice maintenance man helped us out with a bit of wood.
Yeah. These are we'll just pop in here.
Yeah, because there's nobody in here.
Nobody in.
Now you can see, not all entrances to these little areas are as good as this one. No. Some are just this, I don't know what you call it.
No, it's little block pave type stuff.
Yeah.
But as you can see, these are pitches without...
these are just grass pitches.
Yeah.
But they're very muddy, but it's muddy everywhere.
Everywhere.
Even our hard standing only has 2 lines of blocks to put your wheels on. It's not a total hard standing pitch.
And there's mud everywhere. I know.
But there are
there's water things close
everywhere.
by. There is a motorhome service point up there, which we'll show you. Lots and lots of. Won't do all of it because it's so much.
The tent area. It is a big place. It's very quiet and it doesn't seem as though it's big.
Yeah, there is quite a busy motorway just over to our left. But to be fair, I didn't really hear it last night. Did you?
We were so tired anyway.
Yeah, well that's true. Yeah.
It didn't disturb us.
Yeah, and that Belgian beer didn't help either. soon rocked me to sleep. So yeah, it's really, really good. Quite like the place.
It is very nice, and there is a bus just outside that takes you straight into
There's
Gent.
2, isn't there? There's one takes you to the centre and one takes you to the railway line.
Yeah, number 11 is to the centre. I think it's about number 19 or something to the bus station, train station, isn't it?
You can see another black cloud up there, look. Ooh,
we're supposed to have showers on and off
all day.
Hence we got waterproof coats on.
And we thought, the sun's come out for...
So these are like tent bays, so you have your car and your tent in your own little bay. Yeah,
they're good. And this side as well.
And there was a tent here last night, wasn't there? Maybe he's still there?
Silly people.
No, he's gone.
He's gone. There was a little tent over there. So there you go. So this is all, they're doing a lot more work down the bottom end here.
Yeah.
There's a tent over there. Lots of toilets, all new.
Really nice and clean.
Yeah, and that goes all the way right down there beyond that vehicle.
So there's more
lots of bits either side. So we'll walk back to where the van is.
Yeah.
So it's all quite nice.
It feels as though you're on a tiny little campsite because you're in your own little area.
Yeah, when we came in yesterday, we weren't really sure what it was. It wasn't until last night we had a little walk around that we realised how big it was. I mean, to be fair, last night it was sunny, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was sunny and warm. We should have done the motorhome last night.
Yeah, we did have a nice little walk last night.
I was a bit creamy crackered, weren't we?
Yeah. The only thing we have found round here is there are no little shops or anything. There's no campsite shop.
No.
There are no food shops within the vicinity. You need to go into Ghent to do any shopping.
Yes.
As far as we have found.
Well, we tried to get in a Carrefour yesterday, didn't we? Yes. But we missed the turning.
And it's a one way and you had to go all the way round and round and roundabout and come back again and go around another roundabout to go back again.
So we gave up.
Yeah, we gave up.
Didn't we? We're not that hungry.
Yeah, the other thing in Belgium we found is that if you want diesel or petrol, the prices are not displayed outside the petrol stations as they are in England.
No, they're not, are they? Let's go around that way.
Yeah.
No,
I don't know which way you're going.
This way. Yeah. Yeah, they're not displayed at all, are they?
No, so I don't think you know what you're going to pay until you actually get in there and start filling up.
That's handy though, isn't it?
So we're just going to have to pay whatever when we find one that we want for that.
Yeah. It's kind of, it can't be more expensive than it is in England, can it?
Well, I would hope not, but
well, who knows?
Who knows? Anyway.
So
actually, all the rubbish bins, they do recycling here. Everything gets recycled if you can.
I'll turn you back round again, you don't look at us.
It's very clean and very nice. It's going to rain again in a minute.
It is very soon.
Yes.
Yeah. You see the one with the grey van there with the satellite on the top pointing that way, so I think long as you're as long as you're not right up against these trees. As long as you're on the
right hand side of any
of the little areas, you should be fine.
The left hand side you would struggle.
Yeah, I think definitely struggle. They're putting in loads more these lodges, aren't they?
Yes, it's ongoing at the moment.
Yeah, a lot of work going on.
But it's not disruptive to us.
No, not at all. I'll just peep my head round here, look.
You might see another bunny rabbit, you never know.
Yeah, I'll just nip down here. It's not too muddy. So there's all these new lodges. All Adria ones, look. There. More stuff going on here all the time. Yeah, they're alright, aren't they?
They're very nice, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what these pods are. These little pods here, let's see.
No, I don't know what they are either.
But there's whatever they are, the grey bins. Maybe it's for. Let's have a look. It might be a toilet or something like that. Don't know.
Oh yes, sink.
Oh yeah.
So these are probably posh pictures.
Yeah, and
with
we're
your
locked
own
up.
Toilet and shower,
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah, toilet and shower. That's clever.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
But there's no hard standing. They're grass pitches.
Yes.
So it's maybe for tents. That's more than anything.
Well, no, I think it's motorhomes, but most probably the smaller ones. You know, with without your own shower and everything.
But as you can see, there's loads of mud.
Mud, glorious mud. Yep, can't sing either.
Yeah. The dishwashing area outside here as well.
No, that's chemical toilet.
Dishwashing over there.
Around there, yeah.
I
didn't see that.
Ah, well, I did.
As per normal, they always struggle to put these things in the right places. You know, I mean, we're in a 8.5 metre motorhome, and it would be a struggle to get to that.
Yeah.
Probably.
What we did find this morning was a lot of these taps have a different.
Yeah, the 3/4
adapter.
rather than the normal 1/2 inch one.
That's the dishwashing.
Oh, right. Yeah, we're not going in the toilets, we'll leave that to Bob Earnshaw.
Yeah, we don't do toilets.
Yeah, there's our motorhome.
And you can see how muddy everything is.
Yeah, properly muddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can see just the 2 lines of
mud.
Yeah, Dave. 2 lines
Yeah.
of
Yeah. So I was laid underneath the motorhome this morning. So yeah. I'm clean now, aren't I?
Yes.
Probably squeaky clean after that. Yeah, so
it's clouded over.
Yeah, very clouded over. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a pretty relaxing day today, aren't we?
Yes.
And then tomorrow we're going to go into Gent, whatever it is.
Yeah, we'll get the bus in.
We'll get the bus and we will take you with us and we'll have a look around there. And it was just a bit of a summary on what you thought or what you think or what we think of this little campsite.
It is a smashing campsite in a lovely place, but it's very, very muddy.
Yeah.
That's the worst.
I think it's a bit like England. I mean, you can see, look, you just would not want to be parked not on a hard standing pitch with a motorhome. It is proper muddy. Anyway, there we go. So that's pretty much it. There is loads of other bays, isn't there?
But they're pretty much all the same.
All the same, yeah. As you can see, all the way round that way. It's all one way. So, yeah, there you go. More toilets there. So, I think as a
quick look round.
As a quick look round, that ain't bad. So 13.5 minutes, that's not bad, is it?
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Well, I hope you're watching. And we'll see you again soon.
Yeah.
Definitely tomorrow. So bye now.
Bye bye.